In this video, I'm going through the ultimate beginner's guide to SEO, including definitions and tools you can use to help you with your SEO process. So first, some general fundamentals. If you've never heard of SEO before, you may not have heard of or understand white hat versus black hat and gray hat. White hat SEO is generally considered to be ethical and above ground in terms of following Google guidelines, building high quality content, and generating links naturally. Black hat SEO is considered to be unethical, and if you're caught performing black hat SEO tactics, your website can be penalized or removed from Google's index, and it'll be impossible or very difficult for you to rank. Gray hat, of course, is kind of a middle ground where you're not necessarily violating tactics like keyword stuffing or cloaking or doing something completely manipulative, but there are still some risks there if you're doing and integrating some of those gray hat strategies into your SEO. Now, with Google and with Google SEO, you have to understand and realize Google has an algorithm that is reading through and figuring out what your website should rank for. And Google frequently has algorithm updates. Now, there are a number of popular historical updates like the Panda, the Penguin update, the Hummingbird update, Mobile Friendly update, RankBrain, and BERT. But some of the more recent major updates were Core Web Vitals, the Helpful Content update in August of 2022, the core, and then Google also has core updates and spam updates that they publish and release on a regular basis. And here's Google's official search status dashboard for ranking updates and algorithm changes. And you can see here, June 24 spam update, March 24 spam update, March 24 core update, and all the updates in 23, and so on. Multiple times per year, Google is hitting their algorithm with new features, new functionality, and working to attempt to provide positive experience for users and the best results possible for searchers. Now, some key metrics and performance indicators. When you're looking at an SEO campaign, KPI is key performance indicator, ROI is return on investment, CTR, click-through rate, BR, bounce rate. Most times this is just viewed as a percentage. And then time on site is how long somebody spends on your website. And these are metrics a lot of times that you'll see in general for a website project, but also you'll look at some of these in a tool like Google Analytics. Now, some website authority and link related terms. These are general terms you'll likely hear from an SEO perspective regarding links and then the strength of a website as well. And we have things like domain authority and page authority, domain rating or page rank, or domain rating, page rating, URL rating, backlinks and link types, and then anchor text. And as an example here, the clickable text in a hyperlink or a link, which provides context to search engines about the linked page's content, is the anchor text. In most cases on many websites, it's going to be blue underlined text, and that's the anchor text. Now, some on-page SEO essentials, your URL structure, meta tags, content optimization, image optimization. These are all factors that impact rankings that Google and their search algorithm looks at to determine what a page is optimized for and what a page should rank for. Some technical SEO fundamentals, site speed, mobile friendliness, security, site structure. These are all factors that impact your website's ability to rank in search engines. Content and user experience is important in SEO as well. And user experience, also known as UX, is how a website is able to be viewed and interacted with by a human. Content quality, Google has a content quality process, and their goal is to provide high quality content for searchers, for humans. And one of their guidelines to follow is the EAT or double EAT guidelines: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Conversion optimization, or CRO, is working to implement strategies to improve how many people take a specific action on your website. Now, there are also local SEO strategies that are different from the general SEO. And these are things like Google My Business, NAP consistency, and NAP stands for name, address, phone number. So as you have a citation listing or a link to your local business website, point is to make sure that you have consistency with those different elements so that Google can easily understand they're associated with your business. And then local content, specifically optimized content for a location. And then reviews and ratings, encourage and manage customer reviews to build trust and improve local search rankings. This is largely with your Google My Business profile. Now, a couple general terms from an SEO perspective that you will hear also: crawling, indexing, and ranking. So like I had mentioned before, search engines use bots or spiders within the algorithm to explore web pages that's crawling. And then when a page is discovered by the crawlers, it can get indexed and does get indexed if you have it set up correctly. And then ranking. is where your website shows up in a search result. Now, there are a number of tools as well that you can use for all of these different processes from an SEO perspective. Keyword research tools, there are paid versions and free versions. And I'm not going to go through every single tool. Some of them you can use, for example, like SEMrush or Surfer SEO. You can use those two tools for the majority of these functions. And another good tool that I like to use is Ahrefs as well. But there are keyword research tools, competitor research, on-page and technical SEO, off-page SEO and link building, and then analytics and reporting tools as well that you can use to put everything together and see and make sure that everything is structured correctly for your SEO project. The purpose of this video is just to give some general ideas and insight to a complete beginner SEO, some definitions to help you understand a little bit about the process, what goes into it, and what some of these terms are when you're looking at an SEO project. If you're looking for additional help, I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel you can look at and take a look at how I've ranked content immediately, how to optimize content using a tool like Surfer, and also looking at some other ways to do keyword research, a couple of different ways and strategies on my YouTube channel. So take a look at those videos as well. If you still need more help with your SEO, head over to lattseo.com/contact and fill out the form there. I'll take a look at your information and figure out how I can best help you, and be glad to chat with you if you're looking for help with any process from an SEO perspective, whether it be keyword research, competitor research, on-page SEO, technical SEO, link building, any of those factors I can help you out with. And I'd be glad to chat if you're looking for help. And that's it. Hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.